Don't forget, hit that subscribe button. Start with your weight on your left. You're going to step forward with your right and clap. You're going to turn a quarter and you're going to step left, clap twice. Then you're going to step forward right, touch left, left back, touch right. Let's go ahead and do that by the count. Weight is on your left. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. You're going to do a grapevine to the right. So it's right, behind, right, touch. Then you're going to do 1 1/4 turn. So you're going to end up on 6 o'clock. So that'll look like this. You're going to step left. You're going to step back right, looking at 12. And then you're going to shuffle left, going like this. Shuffle left. Let's do that by the count. Weight on your left, grapevine right, then that turn with a shuffle. So it looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. We're going to do a toe strut, heel swivel, heel swivel. So it looks like this. Right, drop that heel, left, drop that heel, step out right, swivel out, step out left, swivel out. As you do this next section of 8, kind of walk forward. Weight is on your left. I'll count you in. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now you're going to do a rocking chair, a half pivot left, and a quarter pivot left. Looks like this. Weight is on your left. You're going to rock forward right, recover left, rock back right, recover left. You're going to do a half pivot. So step out right, pivot half, take the weight left, step out right, quarter left pivot, take the weight on your left. By the count, weight on your left. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Full dance by the counts. Here we go. Weight is on your left. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 2 restarts in this dance, one at 5 o'clock, one at 8 o'clock. The first one is after 20 counts and the second one is after 16 counts. So let me go ahead and show you what that looks like. Both times it's going to start at 12 o'clock. So let me go ahead and just show you the first one. Your weight is on your left. Remember the first 20 counts, then restart the dance. So it looks like this. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Restart the dance. 1, 2. Second restart. So you're on wall 8, which means this wall looks like this. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Restart the dance. 1, 2, 3, and 4.